When it comes to protecting your home, your business, and your peace of mind, trust is everything. At Ideal Fence, trust isn't just a word, it's the foundation we build on. Proudly serving Kokomo, Indiana for over 24 years, we specialize in high-quality, durable fence solutions that stand the test of time. Whether you're looking for added security, enhanced curb appeal, or a custom fence to match your vision, we deliver with precision, professionalism, and care. Our team is licensed and insured and trained to bring you peace of mind from the first quote to the final installation. No shortcuts, no surprises, just solid work done right. We don't just install fences, we build relationships, and the trust we earn is what keeps our clients coming back. Ideal Fence, built on quality, backed by trust.